Are you ready to join me on a journey to find the most cutting-edge travel gadgets? Gear up as we explore the world of modern tech to make our trips and travels more enjoyable and comfortable. Dive into the Insta360 GO 3 camera, your passport to capturing life's most breathtaking and thrilling experiences like never before. Weighing in at a mere 35.5 grams, its feather-light design ensures you can take it anywhere. It can effortlessly capture multiple perspectives, from heart-pounding first-person shots to unique novel angles, all in glorious 2.7K ultra-clear wide-angle videos. Moreover, its magnetic suction function allows it to stick to virtually any surface. No more fumbling with the camera, simply attach and go. Thanks to its advanced flow state, anti-shake technology, and 360-degree horizontal correction, your videos will be smoother than ever before. Are you tired of getting stuck in traffic, missing important turns, and feeling like you're driving blind? Say hello to the Garmin Car GPS Navigator. It boasts a dazzling high-resolution glass touchscreen that's as responsive as it is visually stunning. The 5-inch display with 800 by 480 resolution ensures you never miss a beat, clearly displaying your route. But wait, there's more. With its sleek modern design, this navigator offers up-to-date map updates covering all of North America, making it your trusted companion for cross-country journeys. Afraid of getting lost during your outdoor adventures? This Garmin handheld navigator offers multi-GNSS connectivity that ensures you stay on track no matter where your wanderlust takes you. It also boasts an astonishing battery life of up to 168 hours in standard mode and an astonishing 1,800 hours in expedition mode, with just 2 batteries. With its 2.2-inch high-contrast display, you have crystal clear visibility in any weather condition, making waypoints, location monitoring, and trail navigation a breeze. And hold on, the Garmin Explorer app provides up-to-date weather forecasts, geocaching live, routes, and waypoints, transforming your journey into an unforgettable experience. Are you tired of worrying about the safety of your belongings when you travel? Look no further than the MVST Select Trek Suitcases. These suitcases boast a super strong design thanks to their heavy-duty aluminum alloy hardshell exterior. But that's just the beginning. Imagine your peace of mind as you secure your items with rubber seals, a zipperless closure, and TSA-approved locks. Your possessions will stay safe and sound, ready for your adventures. It also includes ultra-smooth 360 spinner wheels for mobility. Plus, pulling the Trek series is a breeze with the aluminum telescoping handle. With these luxurious suitcases, you can travel with ease. The Dometic Go hard storage is the ideal car camping accessory for those who appreciate organization and durability. You can stack these units effortlessly on top of each other for convenient transportation. The sleek design ensures easy access of your essentials, while the customizable interior with removable dividers and netting allow you to arrange your gear precisely. And if that's not enough, with a generous 50-liter capacity, it's perfect for extended trips, and the weather-resistant seal ensures your belongings remain pristine, even in adverse conditions. With the Insta360 Flow stabilizer, you can take your smartphone recordings to new heights. Its powerful AI auto-tracking ensures that your smartphone captures every motion, whether it's you on an adventure or your cute child's joyful antics. Its tracking accuracy is jaw-dropping, ensuring you never miss a moment. But that's not all. This marvel of technology boasts a 3-axis stabilization system that turns your footage into pure cinematic gold with an unbelievably steady hand. Need a selfie stick? It's got you covered. Want a tripod for those epic shots? It's right there. Low on battery? No worries, because it's also a power bank. The EcoFlow Glacier refrigerator not only keeps your food and beverages at the ideal temperature, but also functions as an ice maker, creating a staggering 18 ice cubes in just 12 minutes. With its 297 watt-hour battery capacity, it runs up for a whopping 24 hours, ensuring uninterrupted coolness. Worried about energy consumption? This fridge freezer offers high-speed cooling while being impressively energy efficient. And the best part? You can charge it directly with solar power. With an eco-conscious design, it's the ultimate blend of luxury and sustainability. Have you ever wished for reliable satellite coverage, even in most isolated areas? The defy not only keeps you connected, but also offers a host of other amazing features. Thanks to its groundbreaking two-way satellite messaging feature, you can easily stay connected in the most remote locations, sending and receiving messages. But it doesn't stop there. While exploring or working in remote regions, the check-in and SOS feature will send your coordinates or message to your loved ones. Designed for adventure, the Defy has a rugged webbing strap and D-ring attachment, ready to accompany you on any expedition. Are you ready to go on a reading adventure like no other? Let's meet the BOOX Poke5 e-reader, which will impress you at every page turn. Its 6-inch touchscreen features e-ink Carta technology and a stunning 300 ppi screen that produces text and graphics with amazing clarity while being gentle on your eyes, allowing you to read for hours without fatigue. But that's not all. You can carry your entire library anywhere with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of ROM. Say goodbye to format woes, as the pre-installed eReader supports various formats and even allows you to make edits on the fly. Tired of waiting hours for your device to charge? With a maximum 45-watt super fast charging 2.0 support for Samsung devices, this Anker charger can charge your Galaxy S23 Ultra to 100% in under an hour. Furthermore, it boasts not 1, not 2, but 10 safety features, including short circuit protection, high voltage protection, and temperature control, ensuring your devices are protected every step of the way. Plus, thanks to the gallium nitride technology, it is not only smaller, but also more energy efficient and heat dissipating, making it one of the safest chargers out there. Have you ever wished for a travel mug that keeps your drink warm and offers smart features to blow your mind? Let's take a look at the Ember Travel Mug Thermos. Thanks to its integration with Apple Find My Network, you will receive instant alerts if you inadvertently leave it behind, ensuring that you're always connected. But wait, there's more. It boasts a built-in speaker to help you find it easily. Plus, with a generous 12-ounce capacity and a sleek design, it's the perfect companion for those who demand the best from their coffee experience. Looking for a way to keep your essentials organized, secure, and stylish all at once? Say hello to the ALPAKA Zip Pouch. With its thoughtfully designed compartments, you'll have a dedicated spot for everything you need. Need a place for your coins or business cards? No problem, this pouch has got you covered. Crafted from carbon-neutral fabric, it looks stylish and makes an eco-conscious statement. Worried about identity theft? Fear not, the built-in RFID blocking material will keep your sensitive information safe and secure on the go. And when the skies turn stormy, the weatherproof design ensures that your essentials stay dry and protected. Do you wish you could enjoy a rich, satisfying espresso wherever you are without the hassle? This Outin Nano espresso machine boasts an incredible 3-minute self-heating feature, ensuring that you can enjoy your favorite brew anytime, anywhere. And with a single tap, the Outin Nano transforms cold water into a rich, silky smooth espresso, delivering a taste that rivals your favorite cafe. Additionally, this coffee wizard supports ground coffee and capsules, allowing you to choose your brew style. Plus, it heats a perfect 50 milliliters of water to 205 degrees Fahrenheit, providing the ideal espresso temperature. Looking for the ultimate card accessory to supercharge your MagSafe compatible iPhone? This Belkin card charger is a game changer with its powerful MagSafe connection and high quality vent mount. Aligning your phone with one hand has never been easier, allowing you to switch between charging, chatting, and navigating effortlessly. Say goodbye to tangled cables, as the Belkin card charger boasts a convenient cable strap and rear cable holder for tidy organization. Moreover, its elegant and slim profile seamlessly complements your iPhone's aesthetics. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed learning about all the different travel gadgets available. If you found this video helpful and you want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to comment and let us know what you think. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.